be a nice day to be out there digging around, looking for cool things.
I mean, it's dry. It's warm, though.
Yeah.
You want to make sure you got the water with you if you're out doing
sunscreen.
any kind of digging. Yes, sunscreen as well. We do have some high clouds, but remember, the clouds don't block the sun completely, so it's still important to apply the sunscreen, especially when we're this hot. We're up to 88 degrees right now over at Denver City Park. Not much wind right now, and the lack of wind is what's going to help to keep the fire danger lower than it would otherwise be. We're so hot, we're so dry. We're always concerned about the fire danger, but at least we don't have a whole lot of wind to deal with. We have a couple of those clouds, as we just mentioned. Here at CBS 4 downtown, we have 88. DIA is already up to 90 degrees. Relative humidity is only 11%. It's much drier today than it was yesterday. We're not noticing the humidity today like we did yesterday, and therefore there will be far fewer thunderstorms today compared to yesterday as well. By the way, yesterday made 8 days in the 90s. We can now take that number to 9 since we're officially at 90 degrees. This is very unusual. Last year, we didn't have our first 90-degree day until the 9th of June, and on average, we only see 40 days the entire year with temperatures in the 90s. And of course, our hottest time of the year is still far in front of us, late June into July and into August. Air quality also unhealthy for sensitive groups. Young children, older adults should just avoid prolonged periods of time outdoors today because of the ozone. We're going to reach at least 93. It's probably going to be a little hotter than that since we're already at 90 now at the airport. Upper 90s approaching 100 degrees in southern Colorado. The mountains, a great place to be today. Highs in the 70s. Only a 10% chance for a quick pop-up thunderstorm in the high country this afternoon. Out on the eastern plains, a somewhat better chance for storms, but honestly the percentage chance isn't that high. 20, maybe 30% east of Lyman, east of Fort Morgan. It's just that if the storms manage to develop out on the far eastern plains, some could be severe. Overall, a higher chance for severe weather in southeast Wyoming and western Nebraska. You get up into the Scottsbluff area, up toward Rapid City, and then all the way up into Montana. Slight risk for severe weather up that way. Parts of Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle also under the threat for severe weather. Here's the futurecast, and again, there just will not be many storms here late today. It's possible one could pop up in Denver, so we'll just leave a 10% chance for a storm in the forecast. That would probably be after 4 o'clock. And then after 5 or 6 o'clock, that's when we could see a couple thunderstorms develop out on the eastern plains. We did have hail up to the size of tennis balls out in Yuma County late yesterday. I'd be surprised if the hail was that big, but still, if there is any hail out on the far eastern plains, it could be at least the size of quarters, some damaging wind, and can't rule out an isolated tornado. That's in the far eastern stretches of the state. For most of us, the bigger story is just how hot it is. 93 today, 94 tomorrow, 95 on Saturday. If we get to 95 Saturday, we'll tie another record. We tied a record the last 2 days, Kelly, with 95. We stay in the 90s on Sunday. And then look at this. Next week, it's going to seem chilly. Highs only in the 80s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. By the end of next week, a week from now, we should be back up to around 90 degrees.
Okay, summer is on its way.
Yeah,
thank
stay
you,
cool.
Ashton. All right, thank you. Well, we can help you make plans anytime with our free CBS 4 weather app. It's Weather on the Go app. Just search CBS Denver Weather in your app store.